Hope you are fine. Rabbi shrah li sadri yassir li wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Today our goal is create a powerful professional introduction for client, YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and interviews. When you introduce yourself, how you can introduce yourself for other person or other client. So first of all, these are topic we discuss in this uh, lecture. First of all, introduction, then we learn introduction structure, speak confident, and record our video and 10 phrases. So first of all, when you introduction of other person, what you do first, your name, your profession, your experience, your skills, your value, what, how you help people, and which type of value you can add, and call to action. So I just introduction, like when you communicate with other person, and what you discuss yourself, like hello, my name is Hamza, I am UX UI designer, web developer and IT engineer. I provide digital and design services. I help businesses grow with professional branding and website. Like this type of you can introduction. And third one is also, if you talk with client, any client, you represent your skill or you ask anything, then you also introduce yourself like this type of hello, my name is Hamza. You use your name, okay? Hello, my name is Hamza. I am UX UI designer and IT engineer with 5 year experience. I provide services in graphical designing, web development, and digital marketing. I help businesses improve their brand and grow online. If you need professional services, feel free to contact me. You can also speak your name and your skill, and 3 times you can speak. If YouTube channel, you can create a YouTube channel, you can ask like this type of hello everyone, this is Hamza, I am UX UI designer and IT engineer. On this channel I share design tips, businesses grow ideas, and digital services. Stay connected and let's grow together. And next, also these type of sentences you can speak loudly, like I am a professional, I help client grow, I deliver quality work, I communicate clearly, I am confident. You can speak these sentences loudly, okay? And these are phrases, business phrases you can loud today and learn. I provide professional services, I work with client internationally, I deliver high quality work, I am easy to communicate with, I focus on client certification. Let me know how I can help you. I will share the detail. I am available to start. Thank you for contacting me. I appreciate your time. You can speak these sentences 3 times, okay? And you will be able to, your uh, learning skill will be, you can speak very uh, quick. So also record, this is very important. You can daily record your voice in mobile, and also mirror, you can speak it, and your confidence level will be high. Like this, I can record, my name is Hamza, I am UX UI designer and IT engineer with 5 year experience. I provide professional design and digital services. I help client grow their businesses online. Thank you, and save it. And your assignment is learn and professional introduction, mirror speaking 5 minute, record your video and 10 phrases you can read 3 times. Thank you so much. Hope you like this lecture. Subscribe my channel